It's spring at the woodpecker hide. The bushes are busy with a flurry of juvenile birds. Not long from their nests, some are still reliant on their parents for food. Scraggly adult grey tits make use of the feeders for supplies. Blue tits too will use bird feeders. Some of the older juveniles are attempting to use the feeders themselves, with mixed success. Perhaps suet would be preferable. The suet feeders aren't just popular with the blue tits. This is a female great spotted woodpecker, identifiable by her monochrome head. And this is one of her chicks with scarlet hair. Sharing isn't his forte. At the woodpecker hide, there's more to offer than just suet. These greenfinches prefer sunflower hearts. It's not just greenfinches. Goldfinches too feast on the seeds. Bullfinches are also partial to sunflowers. The rangers don't only put the seeds into plastic feeders. Piles of the food are placed on wooden logs. Unsurprisingly, this is where you can find wood pigeons hanging out. Birds might make up the majority of visitors at the woodpecker hide, but it's not an avian exclusive club. Grey squirrels make the most of the all-you-can-eat buffet. Squirrels will also go for the bird feeders, which require some acrobatics. Having rotatable feet helps them when eating upside down.